Welcome to Colors. In this lesson, we will learn about primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. These three colors are the foundation of all other colors. Primary colors are special colors that cannot be made by mixing any other colors together. Instead, primary colors are used to create all the other colors we see. They are the foundation, the building blocks of color theory. Red is the first primary color. Red is a warm color. It has high energy and is very eye-catching. You can see red in apples, roses, and stop signs. Red makes us think of excitement and power. Blue is the second primary color. Blue is a cool color. It feels calm and peaceful. Blue is also a color people trust. You can find blue in the ocean, the sky, and many fish. Blue makes us feel relaxed. Yellow is the third primary color. Yellow is also a warm color. It is bright and very cheerful. Yellow brings energy and happiness. You can see yellow in the sun, bananas, and stars. Yellow makes us smile. Now comes the exciting part. When you mix two primary colors together, you create a new color called a secondary color. Red and blue make purple. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. This is how we create all the other colors. These three colors, red, blue, and yellow, are the foundation of all colors. Every color you see in paintings, drawings, and the world around you comes from mixing these three primary colors in different ways. Let us review what we learned. Red is warm and energetic. Blue is cool and calming. Yellow is bright and cheerful. These three primary colors can be mixed together to create any other color. Understanding primary colors helps us understand how color works.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.